Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Topic that we'll look at today is one of the question that I was asked as a query, and it is from paper 3, that is FMP. This question will test your understanding on the compounding frequencies and derivation of the forward rates. So let's see. So before I go ahead, I will just request you to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well if you think it would be helpful to your friends. So your channel name is Finucha Coaching Institute. Please do subscribe to channel. So let's have a look at the question. So the situation is, I'll just highlight the key information in different colors so that we use it accordingly. So we have been given situation is assume the YTM of 4 year and 5 year zero coupon bonds are. So we have been given the YTM. So YTM is internal rate of return, IRR, whatever you call it. So 4 year and 5 years zero coupon bond YTMs are. So it's 467 and 4.67% and 5.35%. So let me jot it down somewhere. So, so R4 has been given as 4.6% and 5 year YTM of zero coupon bond is 5.35%. So this is information that we have been given so far. And important point to note is this YTM is given based on uh, the semi-annual compounding frequency. So, so it could be, I mean, it could be quarterly as well, semi-annually as well, yearly as well. So over here we have been given semi-annual uh, compounding frequency. So important point to note over here is that this is just for a confusion. I mean, one will think that it's a zero coupon bond and the compounding is a semi-annual. So there is no coupon in interim for zero coupon bond. But try to understand this is just a compounding frequency corresponding to this YTM. So it's very imperative that you understand intuition behind it. So this is just to confuse you that it's semi-annual and zero coupon, and you will think that there is no coupon in the zero coupon bond. It just says that this YTM is out of it mimics that semi-annual compounding. That's it, nothing else. And we have been asked to calculate 4 year, 1 year forward rate starting from 4 year from now. So that's what we have to calculate. So the key thing to tackle such type of questions is the best thing is to draw a timeline that will at least give you the best visualization of what's happening. So let me draw a timeline. So imagine this is a situation. So over here, say for example, I'll just try to plot 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry, I mean it may not be equally parted in 5 parts, but just for understanding. So this is year 1, 2, 3, 4, and say for example 5. So what we have been given is R4 and R5. So let me call this particular period R4, and we have been given this as 4.6%, and this till the end of 5th year, that is R5 is your 5.35%. Okay, and what we have been asked to calculate 1 year forward rate 4 years from now. So we have been asked to calculate 1 year forward. So notation for this is 4 year 1 year forward rate. That's what we have to calculate. So, and the important point is it's semi-annual compounding. This is a key information that you have to factor in. Otherwise, so the FRM exam is such that you are given a lot of confusing options, which will directly direct you to the wrong answer. So in this case, if one misses this information, semi-annual compounding, so what one is will think that it's straightforward. It would be so I mean the R forward rate that we have to calculate would be in this case would be R5 raised to 5 and R4 raised to 4 minus 1. So if you punch in this number 5.35% and 4.61% in this expression, you will end up getting this answer. So this which is not correct because we have been given semi-annual compounding. If this would have been annual compounding, then this A option would have been correct one. So let's see how we calculate for a correct option. So let me rub this because there is a less space. So let's see. I mean, what we have to calculate is 4 year, 1 year forward, 4 year from now. So I'm just saying that I'm just what I'm right first try to write a mathematical expression, then you can solve it and get the correct answer. So basically for what forward rate exactly means is that if you make any investment for 5 years, it would be equivalent to investing the same amount for 4 year and just withdraw that amount and invest it for 1 year more. That basically is a forward rate. So whatever statement I just said, I'm just noting it down in the mathematical expression. So let's see. It says that one plus any investment invested for 5 years, and in this case, the compounding frequency is semi-annual. So I'm dividing this rate by 2. And if I do the investment for 5 years, and the given the compounding frequency is 2, so it will be 5 into 2 equal to any investment invested for 4 years. So same logic, just for 4 year. So 1 plus rate of return for 4 year divide by 2 because my compounding frequency is 2, and then 4 into 2, and reinvest withdraw this amount at the 4 year and invest that amount at the forward rate. But in this case also our compounding frequency also would be 2, and this would be done for 1 year, and again for the frequency period is 2. So do it for 1 year, and twice the two compounding periods will come. So we'll just plug in these values and we'll just find it out. So let's see. So it says that 1 plus 5.35% divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 4.67%. Divide this by 2 and don't forget the power. So it would be 5 into 2, that's 10. And over here it's 4 into 2, that's 8. Into this we have to calculate. That is our the forward rate in which we are interested in. So let's see. Uh, let's calculate it together. So if you divide 5.35 divided by 2, the answer would be around 2.675%. So I'm just writing it 2.675% to the power 10. And over here it would be 1 plus 2.335%. So 2.335% to the power 8 into 1 plus forward divided by 2 to the power 2. So let's solve this. So it's coming around 1 point, so it's 1.30. It's coming around 1.302108, which is equal to, and other expression is coming around 1.2028 into 1 plus RF by 2 to the power 2. So I'll just bring this down over here in the division. So it would be 1.302108 divided by 1.2028, which is equal to 1 plus RF by 2 divided by 2. So this answer of this division would be around, I'm just going over here, 1.082564, which is equal to 1 plus RF by 2 to the power 2. And to calculate this, we'll just take the square root of this. So 1.082564 equal to 1 plus RF by 2. So the square root of this would come around 1.040463, which is equal to 1 plus RF by 2. Now what we'll do, we'll subtract 1 from this. What we'll get? 0.040463. Just a minute, it's not plus, it's okay. So it would be equal to, as we subtracted 1, so it would be just RF by 2. Important point to note, this is also one of the confusing option that you have. So it is not really, just don't stop your calculation till here and mark the correct answer. So this is also not a correct answer. Don't get confused via this quantity. So you have to multiply it by 2. So what we will get, RF is equal to, it would be around approximately equal to 8.0927%, 8.0927%. This is your correct answer. So let me spot the correct answer. So this is your, let me mark in green because it's a correct answer. So option B is your correct answer. Hope you like the video. If yes, please do comment and share with your friends as well who are preparing for November 2022 attempt. It will really help them to clear their understanding about forward rates and compounding frequencies. Thank you very much. Stay connected.